Welcome to Drawliper channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable incognito mode on Android. Now if you want to enable incognito mode in your Chrome browser, then just open your Chrome browser, then tap on three dots, and here you can see new incognito tab option, then just tap here and it's enable. Now you can see in my phone incognito mode has been enabled. If you want to disable it, just tap here. From here close the incognito tab, then open new tab and it's disable. Now if you want to enable incognito mode on YouTube, then just open YouTube, then tap on this profile icon. Now here you can see turn on incognito mode option. Now just tap here, then tap on got it and it's done. Now incognito mode is enabled on YouTube. If you want to disable it, just tap here, then tap on turn off incognito and it's disabled. And that is how you can enable or disable incognito mode on Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.